Hi everyone, Budget Stark here. Thanks very much for tuning in again. Today we're going to be doing a little bit different. It's not quite a video, it's going to be lots of still shots of the new Age of Ultron, Avengers 2 Captain America figure. Now I went to Hot Toys secret base today to take some photos, and I want to let you guys know that they've changed their policy, so I'm not allowed to take any videos. Apparently this came from head office a couple of weeks ago, so for the time being there won't be any first look videos, but what I'll do is compile, this is the best thing I can do, compile a series of photos, zooming in, showing you a few different angles. Hopefully that'll help you collectors get a first look at this. So that's the best I can do for the moment. So thanks again for watching, guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I know it's not my usual standard of videos, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Just two things. Number one is that this should be released in Q2 or Q3 this year, 2015. So if you're looking at UK, you're probably looking at about Christmas time in 2015. Or if you're over in the US, Sideshow should have it, I'll say Q3, just before Christmas time. Look at probably September, October, November, that sort of ballpark time frame. So thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys.